This should be my Harpers Ferry video, but it's not. We went to Harpers Ferry. Absolutely impossible to get into. My birthday happened to fall on Father's Day this year. However, it was a good thing that we weren't actually able to get into Harpers Ferry. I'll get to that in a minute. We ended up driving about 20 minutes away from Harpers Ferry to this cool little boat slip that we found on the Potomac River, and definitely somewhere where we're gonna be heading again. My boyfriend Nicholas gets a call. You've been exposed to coronavirus. What? One of his coworkers tested positive for the coronavirus. Anybody that you live with should also quarantine. I live with him. Got tested, still waiting on the results. They'll be in either today or tomorrow. So no Harpers Ferry, but we will be going there soon. Was thinking about doing some camping in the backyard. I think Ben would like that. Here is some of the footage that I took while we were at the Potomac. Oh, and don't forget to reapply your sunscreen. It's okay. Are you scared of it? Are you scared of the balloon? You got scary, Ben. I'm scary balloon.